Hello, I am Kranti Patil, Associate Professor from Government Rajaram College, Kolhapur.
Today we are going to discuss about Hofmann bromamide reaction. This reaction is conversion of unsubstituted acid amide to primary amine in presence of sodium hypobromide, and this sodium hypobromide is generated by reaction with bromine in NaOH. Primary acid amide is converted to amine containing one carbon atom less, and along with it there is formation of NaBr and sodium carbonate. Now, in this reaction, since this is a reaction between amide and bromine in NaOH, the reaction is also known as Hofmann bromamide reaction. This sodium hypobromide is generated by reaction between NaOH and bromine, and there is formation of NaBr plus NaOBr, that is sodium hypobromide. And to balance overall this reaction, we have take here 4 molecules of NaOH. There is formation of 2 NaBr and Na2CO3 is there. And in this reaction also 2 NaOH plus bromine giving NaBr and sodium hypobromide. Now we will discuss the mechanism of this reaction. The proposed mechanism of this reaction, in this case, in step first, there is reaction between this hypobromide anion and amide, RCONH2. This bromide dissociates as Na plus and OBr minus. This OBr minus, that is hypobromide anion, just replacement of one of the hydrogen atom by Br to form N-bromoamide. Along with this, there is formation of this OH minus anion. In this second state, this nucleophile form abstracts the acidic proton, this H, which is attached to nitrogen. From one side Br is there and from another side this group is there. This hydrogen becomes acidic and this can be easily abstracted by this OH minus ion, and there is formation of the corresponding anion, that is N-bromoamide anion. The step third is the important step because here actual rearrangement is taking place. RCO and minus Br, that is N-bromoamide anion. There is ejection of this bromide. When the ejection of bromide takes place, this nitrogen, this species becomes nitrine species. This is electron deficient species. Electron deficient nitrogen is there, and for that purpose this R group migrates towards nitrogen. Ejection of bromide, then this migration of R group to this electron deficient nitrogen and movement of electron takes place. All these 3 steps are simultaneous, or we can say concerted steps, and they are believed to pass through nitrine intermediate, and there is formation of R and double bond C double bond O, that is isocyanate intermediate. And this intermediate is very important. From this intermediate we can form number of products, and in case of Hofmann bromamide reaction, the primary amine is formed from this isocyanate, and for that purpose this intermediate is treated with water. Water is added across this isocyanate to form RNHCOOL, that is carbamic acid, and this carbamic acid decarboxylates to form the corresponding primary amine. Thus, from amide to amine conversion takes place, and there is lack of one carbon atom from as that were in the original amide.